It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a flying tiger haul. So I nipped in there just before lockdown hit us and I bought some bits and bobs, a couple of stocking fillers, some Christmas decorations which are super cute, and yeah, I thought I'd share them all with you. I know obviously they don't sell online, you can't go in there at the moment, but fingers crossed that by the time they reopen you will be able to nip in there before Christmas if you want to. So if that's something you fancy watching, then please stay tuned. So first up I'm going to show you some of the stocking filler bits, and then I'll move on to the Christmas decorations. They're so cute. So right, Flying Tiger is basically a shop. Sometimes they have pop-up shops, sometimes they have permanent stores. I went to the one in Norwich, which is a permanent store, and they're kind of a bit like IKEA really, but just like the bits and bobs range. They don't do furniture or anything like that, but similar prices. I believe they, is it Norwegian or Swedish? I'm really sorry if that offends anyone. It's just my lack of knowledge. Yeah, so I will go through the prices as we go along as well. So first up, I bought this. I'm not going to say who anything's for, because if little eyes decide to watch this video then it's going to spoil surprises. So first up I bought this. This is one, do you remember these from years ago, or am I showing my age? But these are like little worms and you can thread them through your fingers and make them do little magic tricks and stuff. They are super cool. I remember I had one of these and I thought it was amazing. So yeah, it's this little magic worm, and this was, I believe, £1. So may have been £2, but I think it was £1. So I bought that. And then next up is this little notebook. How cute is that? It says game over. It's obviously meant to look like a Nintendo, like a Game Boy. But yeah, I just thought this was adorable. So it's just got inside, it's got these blank pages, but I have to say it's really good quality notebook. And I think this was only £2. So I'm going to sneeze. Bless me. So yeah, love that. It's perfect for anyone that's, you know, into gaming or anything like that. Excellent stocking filler. And then next up, I got these for me because I just love them. I saw them behind the till. So these are earmuffs with little sheep heads on. Like, my ears are not going to get cold in this weather. How cute are they? Doesn't really look like, looks a bit weird to be honest with my hair up, but they look better when my hair's down. But yeah, love those. Those were £3. They're so spongy and they're adjustable as well. Kind of like, you can feel it underneath, like you can hear it. Yeah, so I think these are for kids or adults, the lady said to me behind the till, but I think she was trying to humour me and she thought they're for kids, but they do fit adults. But yeah, absolutely love those. They are mega cute. And then next up is the Christmas decorations. So I got 4 decorations that they're not baubles, you know, just things, well, you'll see as we go along. But yeah, they wrapped them all individually in this tissue paper, which I love little touches like that. And obviously they got home in one piece as well. So the first one, these were all £2 by the way. So the first one is this, it says, I'm not even going to pronounce it, but yeah, so it's basically this. That is just, I mean, yeah, some people are going to think, oh my god, what is that? That is so tacky, but I love it. It's a little cotton candy cart, and it's got like, in this glass bauble bit, it's got like, I think it's actually like material, like pink material that looks like candy floss. Just super cute. And these are all, I think they're glass, like painted glass. So yeah, oh, it's just so cute. I have a Disney tree, because if you've seen my videos before, I'm not going to go through it again, but I love Disney, and these are just going to look perfect with all of that. It's, yeah, just, I cannot wait to get it up, but I am going to wait till the last week of November. So yeah, then I got this one. So this is a little, what do you call these? Russian dolls. So yeah, I just thought this was super, super cute. And it's like pink mirrored effect, a little bit iridescent with this like painted face and body. And yeah, I just loved it. I thought that was adorable. So there's that one as well. And then there's this one, which is obviously a croissant, and it's got hundreds and thousands on it and brown glitter, like brown glittery chocolate looking stuff. And I absolutely love this as well. I think for £2 these are absolutely brilliant. They're great quality and just really, really different. So yeah, there's that one. And then last but not least is this one, which is obviously a slice of cake. It's adorable. So you've got, looks like it's got the slices in it, and then you've got the decoration on the top, and then they've put this like snowy glitter on it as well, which looks like, you know, sprinkled sugar, and it's just super, super cute. As I say, these are all £2, which I think for the quality of them is a really good price. And as I say, they're really quirky and really different, very me. So yeah, absolutely love those. So yeah, it was only a short haul, but I just really wanted to share with you, especially the Christmas decorations, what I bought. And then you can go in. They had so many. They had really loads of them, and loads of really different ones, some more traditional as well. So if you do have a Flying Tiger store near you, I do recommend popping in and having a look, because they are great. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, obviously please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM, give or take. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.